100 years from now, we will be in the year 2123. Every single person listening to this will likely be underground. Our bodies will become part of the soil. During that time, our final destination would have been made known to us. Meanwhile, our houses that we have left behind will have become homes for strangers, and our jobs will be done by others. And as for us, hardly anyone will mention us again. We will be forgotten. When was the last time you remembered your great-grandfather? How often does your great-grandmother cross your mind? Our presence here on earth today, that presence that we make so much noise about and shed so many tears for, was preceded by countless generations before us and shall be followed by countless generations after us. Every generation that passes through this world barely finds the time to take a glance at the dunya before leaving it, and having not fulfilled even a fraction of one's ambitions. Our lives are in reality far shorter than we imagined. In 2123, every one of us will realize from within the grave just how worthless this dunya actually was, and how trivial were those dreams that were centered on it. In 2123, every one of us will be wishing that we had dedicated our life to serve Allah and had devoted ourselves to the collection of as many good deeds as possible, particularly those good deeds that continue to benefit after our death. In 2123, many of us listening to this will be screaming, رَبِّ ارْجِعُونَ لَعَلِّي أَعْمَلُ صَالِحًا فِيمَا تَرَكْتُ. Ya Allah, my Lord, return me so that I may do good in that which I have left behind. And unfortunately, the response to this request is very harsh. Allah will say, كَلَّا إِنَّهَا كَلِمَةٌ هُوَ قَائِلُهَا وَمِنْ وَرَائِهِمْ بَرْزَخٌ إِلَى يَوْمِ يُبْعَثُونَ. No, it's only a word he's saying, and behind him is now a barrier until the day they are resurrected. In 2123, many of us will be biting our hands and saying, يَقُولُ يَا لَيْتَنِي قَدَّمْتُ لِحَيَاتِي. I wish I have given more, I have prepared for my life, and the life here is the life of the hereafter. My brothers and sisters, we all know that this day is coming. And the wise individual is the one who starts preparing for it from now. My brothers and sisters, death does not wait for us to become righteous. Let's become righteous and wait for death.